Knock, knock. Who's there? Icy. Icy who? I see you wanted some more dad jokes, so back by popular demand, it's moi, Miss Paraso, to get you smiling for the day. All right, did you all enjoy the snow the past weekend? I know I did. Maybe you ate some Ice Krispies, or perhaps you indulged in some Frosted Flakes. Whatever it was, I know I enjoyed the snow. But I don't enjoy falling, especially on ice. But do you know something that falls in the winter but never gets hurt? I know. Snow. Oh, you love it. Well, I do know that a girl kept her trumpet out in the snow. You know why? Because she wanted to play some cool jazz. That's right. Try not to chuckle on that one. Well, we built a snowman. Now, did you build one? You have to watch out because with this kind of snow, if you don't dress them just right, they might throw a temper tantrum, much like my toddler. Do you know what that's called? A meltdown. Oh, yes. That's right, folks. I'm back, and if you'd like to see your dad jokes appear here, then feel free to email me your favorites at paraso@fultonschools.org. Till next time, keep laughing.